Hello you guys, I want to start a new vlog. I'm going to be going on a trip and I thought what better than to pack together, prep together. This is our very first trip together as a family of 3 with our little baby on the way. So I think it's going to be super memorable and very sweet to get to look back on these memories. I'm going to be going to Tahoe with my husband and our family. I am 23 weeks pregnant. I bought a few items and they just came in and I thought we could open them together. So let's get started. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. I have 2 packages coming in. So there's this one and then one more on the way, and it's just little things that are going to help me prep for this trip. I think it's going to be so much fun if we get to do this together and kind of hold me accountable for getting everything off my checklist. Let's dig into this. First of all, I have some Cetaphil, I think that's how you say it, makeup removing wipes, and these are just going to help me wipe my face when I'm out and about in the sun sweating and I just want to kind of wipe my face really quickly. I think these will come in handy. The next thing I have that I'm so excited to try, and this is because when you're out in the sun you need to moisturize, so I wanted something that would have a lid that I could travel with. It smells like coconut and banana together. I also wanted to buy a moisturizer for my face. I wanted something that would be light and easy to absorb for the summer. Ultra light moisturizing gel. So hopefully this is good. Like I said, I've never tried it, but it had good reviews, so I hope I like it. And then I also ordered a fan just to be comfortable when I'm out in the sun. I don't want to feel too hot since I am pregnant. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. I have a book. I wanted to bring maybe like 2 books, but this one I've been wanting to read. I am doing the hypnobirthing app every single night, and she also has a book, which is this one. I have this dress and I have to try it on. I don't know if it's gonna fit. It's just a long maxi casual dress. I will try to link everything underneath. When my next order comes in, I will show you guys what I got, and it's all things that are going to help me prep for my trip coming up. I also have a really big test tomorrow. I am 23 weeks, I think I said that. Tomorrow I have my glucose test, which I'm not looking forward to, so I'm gonna try to get everything done today. It's really hard to get a full frame of the dress, but this is kind of what it looks like. It fits me perfectly all the way to my ankles. I can see myself just throwing on some sandals and just being very comfortable in this for my trip especially. Okay guys, so I got my second order that I told you guys. I have my box here and I'm so excited to show you guys. I actually forgot that I had also a Sephora order, because I wanted to try these little travel sizes, so I'm going to show you guys that one first. I only got 2 items. The first thing that I got was the day travel kit, and I'm so excited to try them for my travel, and then I can try out the other products as well. It comes in this very cute basket, which I'm so excited. I love the brand, I love their marketing, their colors, so I'm really excited to try this. So honestly, just the packaging smells so nice. I love it. It's like grapefruit. So this is one of my favorite things. Second thing I got from Sephora is a bronzer. I don't have a cream bronzer and I went with the brand Merit because it's a clean brand. I only have a bronzer powder and I've never had a cream stick, so I'm so excited to try this and see how it applies on my skin. I think it'll be fun to like really try to sculpt things, and for summer it should be so fun. But on to the next things. These are the items that I got from Amazon that I wanted to show you guys. Before I ordered my day and my Sephora order, I thought I would need these. They might come in handy, we'll see. I think it's a lot cheaper to buy something like this and then just fill it up yourself than really honestly just buying like a lot of travel things. I really just wanted to try this brand, but I wouldn't normally purchase sample items because they are very expensive. And Benefit, I got this, and if you know about this brand, it is just like a stain for your lips, for your cheeks, and I haven't used this since I was in high school, but I really liked it. So I think it's going to be so nice for the summer. It won't come off, which is what I'm looking for. So this will be very nice. The last thing I have for my travel are some packing cubes. I have never had any. I got this color because I love the color pink. So this should be really nice to use for when I'm organizing, which I will bring you guys along with me. So yeah, these come in a pack of, I can't remember, of 8. So that is really nice, and it'll be so much more organized in my suitcase and in my bag, whatever I plan to bring. So that is all I got. I think I might have some salad for dinner tonight because tomorrow I have my glucose test and I'm trying to eat healthy tonight. So I'm gonna prepare for that now and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, I'm making myself my salad for dinner. I already started prepping all of the veggies. I added cherry tomatoes, cucumber, corn, and garbanzo beans. And I'm going to add salt, pepper, lemon, some couscous, and mix it all up together. I forgot to mention that I'm also going to be adding some red onion. I have it in some water just to take away some of the spiciness. Alright guys, here is my dinner. I put a little bit of feta on top. It's just a very simple and healthy dinner tonight. Alright guys, as you saw, we just went to Trader Joe's and we got a few things that we're going to be taking on our road trip. I got some other things that I can also use while I'm there, like chia seeds to make overnight oats and things like that for the morning. So I'm very glad that we got that done. So now I need to get on to seeing what I'm going to bring and packing and all of that. Alright, so I have my backpack in the washer, so that is great. I really needed that to be washed before the trip. So now I think I'm going to take out all of the pieces that I'm going to be bringing, such as shorts, PJs, lounging shirts, dresses, things like that, and start to visualize what I'm going to actually bring with me on this trip. And then I think I'll move on to my toiletry eventually. I'm obviously obsessed with yellow right now, so I'm definitely bringing this one, but I have to decide what else I'm bringing. I think I'm also going to bring this dress that I showed you guys that I got from Amazon, and then I have to choose my shoes. I'm probably going to bring my rainbow sandals that I can just plop on, and I have to still decide what I'm going to bring for the bottoms. And of course I cannot forget my swimsuit. That is my number one, and my accessory hat. And over here I already have my beach towels laid out so I don't forget them. I think I may want to bring this shirt that I got a few years ago. Probably gonna also bring this hat from Brandy Melville. I'm going to bring some athletic clothes because it's actually really comfortable, and the elastic on them are just really soft. Also look really cute on. Okay guys, I've made progress. So ignore my pregnancy pillow in the back, but let's start on this side. I have my 2 beach towels. I have my bottoms, my shirts, my hats, my swimsuit, my loungewear. Sort of what I'm working with. So today we're going to be packing all of our toiletry items. This is what my bump looks like, by the way. Today I am 24 weeks. And then now guys, it is the next day. Yesterday I didn't finish vlogging. I think I just vlogged a little bit about the packing my toiletries, but today's a new day. I am on my way to go get some coffee because we're currently out of a lot of things since we're going on our trip. So I'm gonna get some coffee, and then I think I'm gonna try to get in a workout today, get gas, and pick up some things at Target that I need. We're leaving tomorrow in the morning, so I really have to get everything done and packed today. Ready to go on a workout before our trip. I haven't worn this shirt in a long time, but it really shows my belly. I'm just gonna do a light workout. So, let's go. Alright guys, here is an overview of everything I'm bringing. I need to start putting it in cubes. I really want to take a photo of this. I just did it really quickly. I think it came out pretty cute.